Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your party box JBL Encore Essential with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now click power button, press and hold it. And now when in turn on, click Bluetooth button here. Now click on your party box. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!